welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this vlog. I hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. So I'm a bit out of breath. I just came back from the grocery store. So it's Saturday night. It's maybe about a few minutes to 9 by now or so. But I went to the grocery store just to top up on some stuff that I run out of or that I'm about to run out of. So I tried to vlog in the store, but I didn't bother. So I decided to just show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the snacks first. Basically. So I got this juice. It's Mott apple juice. I got 3 Maltas, 3 tropical rhythm. I got the mango carrot flavor because this is one that my husband likes. He likes tropical rhythm. I got 3 of these spice buns. I got 2 of these vanilla butter kiss biscuits because my husband likes these types of biscuits. 2 strawberry, 2 chocolate, and I also got 2 cookie and cream. I also got 1 brinky because I think we have 3 already, so I got 1 more, which is a chocolate flavor because I don't remember if we have the chocolate flavor. I got 3 of these cupcakes. This is cream filled cupcakes. This is chocolate. I also got the coconut flavor. I also got the strawberry flavor. Those are mainly for my husband, and I like this one, a brownie rich dark chocolate. I also got banana chips, Danza banana chips, the natural. I saw this one. I guess it's a bit different. It says lightly salted, so I'll see how that one tastes. So that's it, I think, for kind of the snacks. I think that's it. Now let's move on to the other stuff. Alright guys, on to the other stuff that I bought. I also wanted to let you guys know that majority of these stuff were purchased at a Chinese supermarket. I went to another supermarket to purchase a few other stuff like fruits and stuff. I'll show you guys those shortly so you can know what I got from that supermarket versus what I got from the Chinese supermarket. I also picked up a few stuff like market stuff, so you guys will see that. So I got 3 of these cinnamon crackers. If you watch my previous grocery shopping video, then you'll know that I only purchased cinnamon crackers. I got 3 big vanilla lasso. I got 3 instant oats. This is the only oats that I purchased, so I got 3 of those. I got a bag of fruits and nuts peanuts. I think this has 24, I'm not sure, but it's a bag. I also got pumpkin flavored soup mix, Grace, and also Grace cock soup mix. Oh, as it relates to the peanut, because I was on a weight loss journey, so my coach said I could eat peanuts. So since then, even though I'm not on the actual journey, but I still try to have these to snack on instead of snacking on sweet biscuits most of the times and stuff like that. So that's why I purchased this, and I just purchased the bag instead of purchasing 3 or 6 or whatever, because of course it's cheaper that way. I also purchased 3 Caribbean Choice coconut milk, 3 Grace tin mackerel. I only purchased this one, the green one, which is hot and spicy. I also purchased this Betty tin milk. I mainly use this in porridge. I don't really use it for tea. I love my vanilla Alaska in my tea, but I mainly use this for like hominy porridge, cornmeal porridge, oats porridge, or whatever, or if I'm making like carrot juice and stuff like that. I purchased 1 dozen eggs. I also purchased 3 toothpastes, so this should last us a while. So usually I'd purchase this wipes, except it would be 40 pieces and not 80, but I didn't see the 40 pieces in this exact one, so I just decided to just take up the 80 pieces because of course it will still last longer than the 40 pieces. Also, I like to use this Perlene baby nursery jelly on my body. So I purchased this. I don't really use it in my hair because most of the times I'm wearing braid anyways, but I like to use this on my body. I also use it on my lip. I don't really use lip gloss and stuff. Comment down below if you use this. I don't think I've ever purchased this pink one. They normally have the pink, the blue, and the green. I think the one that I have now, it's almost finished. It's the blue, but I took this one because they didn't have the other color that I wanted or that I had before. I'm not sure if I showed you guys these already, but I purchased 3 toothbrushes because we need to change our toothbrushes. 3 of those. So I think those were all the stuff that I purchased at that supermarket, the Chinese supermarket, which was most of the stuff. I'm just going to show you the few stuff that I purchased at the other supermarket before I went to the Chinese supermarket. Alright, so these were the few things that I purchased at the other supermarket. So I purchased red peas. I don't like to just buy a little pack. I don't like to just buy a little pack that I can just use to cook once. I like to purchase a little bit extra, so like maybe I can cook with this maybe 3 or 4 times. This is for $434. As you can see, it's a good amount. I purchased also a pack of callaloo, a pack of hominy corn because I love hominy porridge, and I purchased a small pack of grapes. Just a small pack. I should be eating more fruits, but the last time I purchased them and even the time before that, they kept on spoiling even though they were in the fridge. I guess I wasn't eating them fast enough, so I just purchased like a small pack. Also too, I was a bit skeptical to purchase this pine because the pine keeps spoiling on me as well, so I'm going to have to force to eat the pine before it gets spoiled or goes bad. I purchased 3 apples as well. So these were just the few things that I purchased at that supermarket. So I purchased these on the roadside, like from the market vendors. So I purchased, I think this was, I'm not sure if it's £1, but this was for $1.50. They're very small. The guy said the customers love the smaller ones, I guess because they can just use one at a time instead of cutting it and leaving half in the refrigerator or whatever. So I got this. They're very small. I got tomatoes. I think this was for $100 Jamaican dollars. I got scallion and thyme. That's how they sell it here. So even though I have thyme already, they would still put thyme, a little piece of thyme on it. That's for $100. And I got 4 sweet pepper. Usually sweet pepper is expensive most of the time, but I got this for $100, which is very good. So guys, those were all the things that I got. I wanted to let you know what I spent in the Chinese supermarket. As I told you, most of the stuff were purchased there. So my total was $9,773. So $9,773 Jamaican dollars. This is the receipt. It's not a lot of things as you can see, but because I bought, as you can see, most of the stuff I bought 3 because I like to purchase stuff that way because it saves you a few dollars, and of course the stuff lasts longer. So that was my bill for that supermarket. Let me see if I can find the other one. So for the other supermarket where I purchased the peas, the thyme, the pineapples and stuff like that, that bill was $1,679.15, and that's Jamaican dollars. And as I said, for the market I spent $450 Jamaican dollars. That was just for the tomato, the scallion and thyme, the onion, and the what else? So the sweet pepper, yes, so sweet pepper, onion, tomato, scallion and thyme, and that, I think those were all the stuff that I purchased there. So in total I spent, maybe I'll put it on the screen. I'll put the total of what I spent on the screen. So that's it for this video. It might be the end, or I might show you guys that I'm cooking for dinner tomorrow. If this is the end of the video, depends on how many clips I got. If it goes up to at least 10 minutes, then I might end the video. So if you like these kinds of videos, like grocery haul, then you can feel free to leave them down. Let me know in the comment section so I can do more of these videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.